Hello guys, once again welcome to Crypto Denzel TV. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel. Also like my videos, comment on my videos, and also share my videos. So guys, please, I've created a new WhatsApp group and the link is in the description box. Kindly click on it so that you will be able to join my WhatsApp group. Also, if you find my videos really informative, then click on the notification bell so that you could be the first person to get update from me whenever I release any video. So guys, today I'll be showing you a new way to claim free USDT absolutely free in your FaucetPay.io account. So guys, please, without further ado, let's jump onto this site. So there's this site called Cryptocurrencies.net. Don't worry yourself, I've included the link in the description box. Kindly click on it so that it will lead you straight to this site. So guys, today we'll be claiming free USDT, absolutely free. There are other different cryptocurrencies that you can also claim for yourself. So as you can see from here, you can claim Bitcoin, you can claim Dogecoin, you can claim Litecoin, you can claim Bitcoin Cash. All these cryptocurrencies, you can claim it absolutely for free every 5 single minutes. So today we'll be claiming only USDT. So let's click on USDT over here. So guys, as you can see, we are about to claim our free USDT. So before we do that, let's go and check our FaucetPay.io account, the current amount and the current transaction that we have over there. So guys, this is our FaucetPay.io account and this is our last update. As you can see from here, on our last update, we received an amount of 0.000310000 USDT. So guys, this is our recent transaction. So let's go back and claim our free USDT on Cryptocurrencies.net. So when you come here, then you scroll down. For the registration, it's automatic. I can't register again and I can't show you how to register again, but the link, if you click on the link, all you need to do is register it with your FaucetPay.io Gmail account or any mail that you use to create your FaucetPay.io account. So we just click on claim from Faucet. So from here, then we do this quick captcha over here. So after that captcha, you do another captcha again over here. So guys, we are successfully done with the captcha, and we will click on verify over here. So guys, as you can see from here, we've claimed another 0.0031000 USDT into our FaucetPay.io account. So guys, let's go and check if we've received any amount like that. So we head back to our FaucetPay.io account, then we refresh our page. So let's go and check. So boom, as you can see from here, we've received 0.000310000 again. This was our last transaction that I told you about, and this is our recent transaction over here. So guys, as you can see, this site is really legit and it pays every 5 single minutes. Every 5 minutes this site pays. So guys, what are you waiting for? I just need you guys to jump onto this site and claim yourself a free USDT and other cryptocurrencies absolutely free for every 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you find it very informative, give me a thumbs up, click on the notification bell so that you could be the first person to get update from me. Thank you for watching Crypto Denzel. Stay tuned.